Book 01 is about. This book is about changemaker. Alex Budik provides a fresh, inspiring, and research-backed guide to developing the mindsets and leadership skills needed to navigate, shape, and lead change, and to make a positive impact in our lives, career, and communities. Book 02 is about. Psychological comfort. Discover the secret ingredient of exceptional individuals. Be exceptional is the culmination of Joe Navarro's decades spent analyzing human behavior, conducting more than 10,000 interviews in the field, and making high-stakes behavioral assessments. Book 03 is about. This book is a virtual user's manual for anyone interested in getting better results in every kind of relationship. You'll learn how to get unstuck by spotting those results that aren't satisfactory, then identifying the crucial conversations you're either not having or not having well. Book 04 is about. This book, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, compiles the valuable lessons of Naval Ravikant, who teaches people how to build wealth and achieve long-term happiness by working on a few essential skills, all while discovering the secrets of living a good life. Book 05 is about. This book, The Compound Effect, will show you why big, abrupt changes rarely work and how you can change your life over time with the power of small daily steps, a routine that builds momentum, and the courage to break through your limits when you reach them. Book 06 is about. The book emphasizes self-awareness, knowing what you ultimately want out of life and a job, and after that, how to structure your career path around that if you are someone that want to run a company.by, giving the reader 5 moves to think about. Book number 7 is about. This book, effective executives focus on outward contribution. They gear their efforts to results rather than to work. The focus on contribution turns the executive's attention away from his own specialty, his own narrow skills, his own department, and toward the performance of the whole. Book 08 is about. What is a mindset? Your mindset is a set of beliefs that shape how you make sense of the world and yourself. It influences how you think, feel, and behave in any given situation. It means that what you believe about yourself impacts your success or failure. Book 09 is about. The book suggests the simplest way to be more convincing in all aspects of life is to become a better person in all aspects of life.
Thanks for watching.